What aspects should I start with when buying beer brewing equipment? Brewing craft beer is a fun process, and beer lovers are increasingly demanding beer. For beginners in beer brewing, choose the brewing equipment that suits you. Need to have a good understanding of beer brewing knowledge. Tiantai Beer Equipment will share with you which aspects to start with when purchasing beer equipment. 1. Buy the right beer equipment. Beer brewing equipment on the market is dazzling. The novice winemaker is at a loss when it comes to choosing and needs to consider many factors. You can choose according to the brewing process and local water quality. If the local water quality is not good, there will be some impurities and chlorine. Use water treatment equipment to purify local water. If you want to save the time and cost of purchasing equipment, you can choose Tiantai Beer Equipment. We will develop a suitable solution according to the requirements you provide. 2. Buy the right size beer equipment. When brewing beer, consider the size of the equipment according to your actual situation. First, how much beer equipment can you place in your space? Second, see if your wallet supports your purchase of such a large device. The recommendation is to choose a device with a larger capacity than planned. Otherwise, it will boil during the work cooking. 3. Material of beer equipment. The common materials of beer brewing equipment are stainless steel, copper, and aluminum. Most manufacturers now use stainless steel. There are many kinds of stainless steel materials on the market. Generally, 304 stainless steel is selected. If you have enough budget, high requirements for corrosion resistance, stainless steel 316 can also be selected as raw material, depending on the situation. 4. Get expert advice before buying. There are plenty of home brewers and microbreweries in downtowns and towns in every city. Go there for some advice before you buy beer equipment. Combining their suggestions with their own knowledge is also helpful for purchasing equipment. 5. Familiar with the operation method of beer equipment. Beer equipment belongs to high-power equipment, and it will cause great danger if handled improperly. In independent beer brewing, professional learning is required to operate beer equipment. In the event of a problem, emergency first aid measures should be taken. Before brewing, a simulated operation accompanied by a professional operator. Wait until you pass before you can get started. The above are the matters needing attention when using beer brewing equipment. If you are interested in brewing knowledge, you can browse our blog. We will update the knowledge of beer brewing in real time. Welcome to communicate with us.